is the division of the phylum Chordata. Means phylum Chordata को 3 different groups में classify किया गया, and all these 3 groups have the different characteristics. Means these 3 group members are different from one another. So first we are taking here phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata is divided into 3 different groups. First is named as Urochordata, or it is also known as Tunicata. Urochordata and Tunicata. Second is known as the Cephalochordata, and third is named as Vertebrata. These are the grouping or the classification of the phylum Chordata into 3 different groups. लेकिन यहाँ पर जो यूरोकॉर्डेट और सिफेलोकॉर्डेट्स हैं, they are also often known as Protochordata. Protochordata. They are Protochordata. They are exclusively marine organism. They are marine organism. और अगर हम इनके स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक की बात करें तो यूरोकॉर्डेट और सिफेलोकॉर्डेट्स दोनों एक दूसरे से मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में डिफरेंट हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स? इन यूरोकॉर्डेटा द नोटोकॉर्ड इज प्रेजेंट. Notochord is present only in larval tail. Means लार्वा के टेल में सिर्फ नोटोकॉर्ड प्रेजेंट होती है, एडल्ट में नोटोकॉर्ड एब्सेंट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एस्कीडिया, साल्पा and Doliolum. These are the characteristics of the Urochordata and the examples of the Urochordate. Second one is the Cephalochordata. In the Cephalochordata, the notochord extend from head to tail region and persistent throughout the life. Notochord is present from head to tail region and persistent throughout the life. Means कंप्लीट लाइफ में नोटोकॉर्ड प्रेजेंट है और हेड से टेल रीजन तक नोटोकॉर्ड एक्सटेंडेड होती है. नाउ द एग्जांपल इज ब्रैंकियोस्टोमा. also named as Amphioxus or Lancelet. This is the example of the Cephalochordata. Now the third group is Vertebrata. In this Vertebrata, we can say that the notochord is present only in embryonic stage. Notochord is present only in embryonic stage. And when the birth of the organism takes place, then this notochord is replaced by the vertebral column. The notochord is replaced by bony or cartilaginous vertebral column. मीन्स नोटोकॉर्ड का रिप्लेसमेंट वर्टिब्रल कॉलम में कंप्लीट हो जाता है व्हेन द एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज चेंजेस इनटू द adult organism. Next feature is due to the presence of this characteristic, the statement is given that all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. This is most important statement which is based on the above said statement कि जितने भी vertebrates हैं वो सभी chordate हैं, लेकिन जो chordates हैं, all the chordates are not vertebrate. Why? What is the reason behind it? The reason is that the notochord in some chordates present only in the larval form. In some it is present in from the head to the tail region, but in the vertebrata cases the notochord is replaced by the vertebral column. Still it is present only in the embryonic stages. Now other features of the vertebrata is kidney helps in excretion and osmoregulation. And the other feature is the presence of muscular ventral heart, which may be 2, 3 or 4 chambered Next feature is the for locomotion. Locomotion के लिए appendages are present. And these appendages may be fins in case of the aquatic life present in water, and the limbs which in case of the terrestrial organism. So this is the classification of the phylum Chordata into 3 different groups. Said the Protochordata that consist of the Urochordate and Cephalochordate and the Vertebrata.